All right, let's get it. All right, we are using the Extra Auto from the brand Extra. Finally using the hat clip. Got the camera on the hat clip. Gonna take a nice little walk, man. Unfortunately, they messed up these roads. See this? They messed up these roads. So I was gonna take the bike and actually do this this video. And then I said, nah. Because these roads are kind of like jerked. Really, really bad. So we're on foot today. He's mad. Like, bro, let me walk. You on the red light. It just turned green. Relax. So I got a few topics I want to talk about. And we'll actually talk about it once we get to this bridge. So let's get to that bridge. But before we get to that bridge, let's look at this nice little... Damn. All right, so like I said earlier, we're using the Extra Auto with the DJI mic. So it's actually my first time. Is it my first time? Yeah, I think it's my first time actually using this setup as a standalone with this camera. So we're using the Extra Auto DJI mic mini. Hopefully it sounds good. Doesn't sound crazy while we get this walking. But topic number one. Is GoPro back? They announced a GoPro about a few months ago with a 1-inch sensor. Finally, one of the first action cameras of this day and age having a 1-inch sensor. The quality looks good. It looks like they took a lot from what DJI was doing. They have 3 different models. I think it's the GoPro Mission 1, the GoPro Mission 1 Pro. They have another one that you could throw like actual lenses on it. So I said to myself, I'll probably stay away from that one. I need something that's waterproof. The Pro, I was looking at the specs. The only thing you're really getting differently is I think the Pro version shoots in a higher frame rate, which I don't really care to shoot 8K 60. I don't even think I'll ever use 8K. If I was to shoot 8K, it'll probably be for a test, but I'll stay in 4K territory. One of the drawbacks from the GoPro is the lack of internal storage. You're paying $600. I think the starting price mark is $600, but it doesn't give you any storage. I don't know how I feel about that, because most of these, well, not most, but DJI, they literally giving you action cameras with internal storage at a cheaper price. Granted, the selling point here for GoPro is that can you hear that wind? It's super windy right now. Damn. But the main thing that's selling for GoPro right now is that 1-inch sensor. Like, they got me by the balls right now. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm like, damn. Do I go out the window and buy this thing? Because this is what I always wanted out of a GoPro. Well, not a GoPro, but out of an action camera. But then I quickly, started to revert back to when I did have GoPro. All the problems I had with GoPro, between it freezing on me, it turning off, just a plethora of problems with the GoPro. And that's what made me switch to DJI, and since then I haven't looked back. But could this GoPro be the GoPro that brings me back? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below. Do y'all want me to buy the new GoPro. Do y'all want me to buy the new GoPro? Yeah, helicopter? Look at it. Should I buy the new GoPro? Because right now, if I pre-order it, they're giving a free handle grip that makes the camera look like a DSLR. So my question is, do we buy the new GoPro? I'll leave it up to y'all to let me know in the comments down below. I'm uploading this video today. If not today, tomorrow. It's Monday, May 18th, excuse me. May 18th. So it's super fresh, it's super new. So y'all could comment down below and let me know if I should, because the camera comes out in 10 days. So we have the rest of this week to pre-order, but I want to know down below if you guys want me to. Oh, hold on. Oh yeah, niggas is fucked. Peep this. So, sorry, I know I completely like changed conversation. So this is what's been going on in New York City. They've been having these checkpoints for many years. A lot of these cyclists, a lot of these scooters. And I'm not talking about electric scooters. I'm talking about the gas scooters with no plates. A lot of them just ride over these bridges on the sidewalks or bike paths without a license. So they've been confiscating people's stuff if your shit ain't legit. So this has been going down for like roughly a month now. And it's somebody got stopped for this shit. They got a ton of bikes. Look at this shit. Made in Japan. Sheesh. So this has been the thing. People have been cause they trying to regulate a lot of this whole nonsense with the bikes and all that stuff. You know how it is with the city. They're trying to just get money out of you any way, shape, or form. So you know how that go. But that's been the thing. They've been doing these checkpoints. And I think they got him. Look, they took his shit away. He was just on the bridge. They got him. Good content, see? See like that? See that moped? He got away on time. He ain't gonna get me. But this guy wasn't legit. He ain't have paperwork. He's lucky they even let him walk away. Cause usually they'll just lock your ass up. You don't got no license? No registration? Nah, homie. Get your ass back. Get your ass back over here, B. But anyway, getting back to what I was saying. Let me know, should I get the GoPro to review it? Yo, slow down. Well, I don't know. If I, yo, and he ain't even honking. Like, let's say I would have just turned this way. He would have clipped me. So yeah, let me know. Like I said, I've been on some 50-50 with it, on getting it. I'm like, should I get it? Should I not get it? See all these little bugs? Jesus Christ, what is this? Bro, it's like a forest of little bugs. You don't see that? I hope the camera's picking it up. The light rays, you can see it. There's mad little bugs over here. But yeah, man. I don't know. I'm 50-50 with it. I figured I'd chat with y'all. So y'all could let me know. Should I pre-order it? Because if y'all do want me to pre-order it, I can just put the pre-order this week and have it shipped very soon. They took your bike, man?
Yeah.
That's all the time.
Problem, police.
That sucks,
Everything.
man.
Let's have everything got. I take my bag. For what?
So, this is your bag, you said?
Everything.
No.
I got insurance. I got driver license. Everything.
So how you get it back now?
I don't know.
What? You should have took that information on them too. You know you can take information.
I'm going to ticket. Yeah.
Yeah, I would have took your information down because now you don't know where your shit going. You're gonna need your information. That sucks, man.
Everything out here, look.
Yeah, but they should have gave you their information too. Good luck, man. at least we got an interview. Thank you, bro. We got the interview, y'all. He looked at the helmet, like, at the cap, like, this nigga recording me? Yeah, nigga. Anyway, let me know in the comments down below. Should we get the GoPro or not? If not, cool. We'll get something else to review. But if y'all want me to, I'll pre-order it this week. Now, getting on to bigger business. The New York Knicks are in the NBA Eastern Conference Finals. We are here. And I said in my last video, I think Philly takes out, this is pollen, Jesus Christ. I think Philly takes out Boston, and I was correct. A lot of people were calling me a hater. They were calling me crazy. I said, bro, I'm not even on no hating shit. I want to face Boston so we could cook them up. But I don't think Boston could handle Philly's size and speed. And just when I said that, that's exactly what happened. They had no answer for Embiid. You know? Now, we're going to be playing the Cavs. We got home court advantage again. And what's crazy is that for so many, throughout the season, for so many months, I was like, nah, we need the 1 seed home advantage. Turns out we didn't even need the 1 seed to get home advantage, because all the 1 seeds got eliminated. We was at home for Philly. We was at home for Atlanta. And now we're about to be home for the Cavs. So that was a win. I said, wait a minute. We got blessed like that? The guys ain't got to travel? They just got to show up at the Garden tomorrow? Oh yeah, it's lit. It's super lit. So, here's my predictions with the Cavs. This could go 5 or 6. Cavs are tired. They just played a 7-game series with Detroit. Detroit was exhausted yesterday. I think that's the reason why they lost yesterday. They didn't have enough weapons to put pressure on the Cavs. The Cavs bench started rolling. But they're tired. They only had 1 day of rest, which is today. Then they got to show up for a fresh Knicks team. That first game, it's probably going to be close. Why? The Knicks done had 9 days off. They have not played actual NBA basketball in 9 days. So there's going to be a lot of rust, a lot of missed shots. So it might be close. Or they're super locked in and we end up cooking these guys tomorrow by 30. So that's my prediction. We either gonna win from it being a close game, or we're gonna blow them out. Legit. And we over here at Zombie Land right now. This is Zombie Land, bro. Zombie Land. What's this? 150 pizza? Oh shit. So that's my predictions for tomorrow. I think the Knicks win by a blowout or a very close game. I don't see us losing tomorrow. If we lose tomorrow, then listen. Oh shit! They took down that building. There used to be a whole building over here. Holy. All right. Anyway, let's get over here to the supermarket. Once I get to the supermarket, I'm clipping this. I'm gonna be doing a lot of night runs like this too. With these type of style, with this style right here I'm doing, shooting these type of videos. Jimmy John's. Wait, what? When the fuck did they make a Jimmy John's? The fuck? No way. Jimmy John's. But yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot of this. And of course, we're gonna get back to vlogging and streaming. Huge announcement. Our time is gonna be better now. We're gonna be streaming on the very nice days in the next coming weeks. We gotta run it back with that 4th of July stream. We did that last year, failed miserably. Hopefully this year we can lock in something dope so y'all can see that live. But the live streams are coming back. The nice weather is back. And yeah, I'm looking forward to this new season, this new chapter of streaming content. You know, we're gonna be doing our thing, man. But the reason why you're gonna probably see a lot more of these videos like this, even if they come out like once a week, twice a week, so I'm doing like a 30-day walking challenge. But we just put a few miles under the belt. I ain't gonna lie, the gigs I was doing, I was on my ass a lot, bro. Barely got any workout. I ain't gonna hold you. So we gotta get conditioned again to start doing these live streams. Even though a lot of the live streams I'll be doing now will be on the bike. Now we got more range. So yeah, we got the range now. Take our trips to Brooklyn, Queens, fly the drone, and just get ready for this new season of summertime with Alex Escobar, B. So I'm going in here right now. With that being said, if you like this style of video, rate, comment, subscribe, or like, comment, subscribe. And if, like I said, if you mess with me, watch the whole thing through, man. Help me get these watch hours up so we can really have fun on YouTube lives. You know what I'm saying? And we can start actually making some revenue for YouTube again. But anyway, I'm out of here. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.